Hello, my lovely IIT Nest warriors. Your IIT and Nest exam are around the corner. Now, I know this is a time where most of you actually feel very anxious during your preparation because you feel, what if we did not do this? What if, right? This is what is actually going on in your mind, but just relax, because I have personally seen that you people have worked very hard, be it through your crash courses, be it through your rescue series, be it through your 50 most important. You guys are actually working. And that is where my belief in you people becomes very strong. So to keep it short and just to tell you that I am actually very proud of how far you guys have come along. Just one more few 2-3 more steps and you will reach your dream institute this year. Now we know for IIT and Nest, a lot of students actually give the examination. We hardly have 2,000 to 3,000 seats that are available. Now this is a vast number. The seats are actually 2,300 for your IIT and around 157 combined for your NISA Bhubaneswar and your CBS Mumbai. Now don't worry about the numbers, don't worry about who is giving the exam, who is not giving the exam. This is my first attempt, how am I going to solve? You don't have to worry about that. That worry is on us, right? So that is why Sayastra has got for you your IIT and Nest Mega Mock. Right now, these mega mocks are going to be conducted in the same time slot as your original exam. For IIT, your exam will be conducted from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. where your actual exam will be conducted, and for Nest aspirants, this mega mock will be conducted from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. exactly in those time slots, so that your brain can actually develop a habit of staying alert in that particular time. Now, many students who gave these exams last year, the mega mock specifically, they came back to us and they told us that actually we were able to easily give our IIT Nest examination without any panic, and they also secured their seats in IISc Bangalore, IIT Madras, IISc Pune and their dream institutes. They are studying there right now. They said that the relevancy of the mega mock was so close to the exam, and they also said that whatever they scored in these mega mock was literally what was the overall percentage they scored in their actual IIT and Nest. So it was 10-12 marks more only than what they scored in the mega mock. So this is how accurate Sayastra is when it comes to your IIT and Nest examination. Now coming to the dates of the mega mock is going to be conducted on 31st May. For IIT students, it is going to be conducted from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. as well as for your Nest aspirants, it is going to be conducted from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. in the same time slots as your examination. Now all you have to do is, now if you are looking for this mega mock, do not go anywhere, because the link would be given in the description below. All you have to do is click on the link, register, and let me show you the interface of the exam. So after you have done the registration, after you have actually given your phone number, gotten an OTP, registered with the link, now remember, this exam is absolutely free. Yes, you heard that right. This is absolutely free. It is just there for your practice. So all you have to do is go to the description, click on the link, register there, and you'll have an interface like this. Now this is for your IIT, all right? So these are the general instructions. You can read them, right? Once you have read them, all you have to do is click on this next button, okay? After that, it will tell you the normal instructions. The duration of the examination is 3 hours. You will have 4 sections and you can use a calculator. Now, this calculator is something that is already there. It is an on-screen calculator. You cannot smuggle a calculator in your examination. You kept a calculator in your pocket and then you will be like, okay, let me give the exam. They said you can use a calculator. No, you will have an on-screen calculator, and that on-screen calculator is also here. So it is actually a real-time exam that you will be giving, okay? So after you have read all these instructions, all you have to do is click on the disclaimer. I have read and understood the instructions, and after that you're going to click on attempt test, right? Now once you do that, here if you see, you'll have questions. Okay, here you'll have questions, here you have some symbols, okay? Let's say I move to question number 3. Okay, so you see this particular question, it became red in color, right? This particular mark, it became red in color. This red color means that you have not answered the question. Okay, if it is a blank square with no coloring, that means those questions have not been visited by you yet. Okay, you have not read those questions yet. If let's say I answer this question, okay, let's say I open something in chemistry, here you can change your subject also. If you want to attempt, let's say, physics first, okay, or if you want to attempt some chemistry first. So all you have to do is open, let's say I marked this B, okay. Once I marked this question, marked this option, all I'll do is save and next, right? So you see, as soon as I did save and next and I gave the answer here, the question marker, it became green in color, right? The icon here, it became green in color. So green color indicates answer. Your red color means you have not answered if it is unfilled. Okay, if you have not seen the question yet, if you have not answered the question yet, then it is going to stay white. Now, if you are not sure, let's say I marked B for this question and I am not sure about it, I can simply do mark for review, right? And once I do mark for review, if I have answered the question already, it is going to show a green dot here along with the purple circle with the green dot. But let's say I do not answer a question and I just write mark for review, then it is going to just show me a purple circle, right? Now, once you have answered the questions, once you have visited all the subjects and all you have to do is click on submit test. Now, once you do submit test, what is it going to show you? It is going to show you the time that is remaining. Okay? Say I have 2 hours 58 minutes left. Total questions, the total questions that were there, how many questions I answered, how many questions have been marked for review. Okay, so after you have actually verified everything, revised everything, simply what you're going to do is you're going to submit the test. And once you submit the test, okay, I think I got something correct. Wow, man. All right, so as soon as you submit the test, what is going to happen? It is going to give you, your score almost immediately, right? Now, if you want a detailed attempt, right? If you want a detailed, if you want a detailed report for this, right? You want to actually, see what is your All India rank, what is your entire analysis. All you have to do is download the Sayastra's app, and there you will find actually the entire analysis of this entire paper. But if you just want to see your score, so that score will be, shown here, and what time was left, how much was your accuracy. And if you want, you can reattempt the test as well. So this is the interface of your entire exam. Now, this is the same for NEST also. This is the same for your IIT also. In NEST, again, you have 4 sections. Only the best 3 will be calculated, but in IIT, all 4 subjects are going to be calculated. Now, for this mega mock, the link would be there in the description. You can also find, description for your everything test series, your All India and NEST mock test series, and your crash courses. They are all on discount right now, so their link would be there in the description as well. Now, this is for all the students who are giving their exams this year. If you are planning to give your exam next year, right? If you're in class 11th and you're thinking, okay, I'll give the exam next year, for those students, we have also launched 4 offline centers. Yes, you heard that right. One is in Bangalore, one is in Pune, one is in Delhi in Saket region, and one is in Noida. So these are the 4 locations where we have launched Sayastra's offline center. Pre-registration for these centers, the link and all would be given in the description below. Click on the link and register right now. Now, again, if you have any queries, any questions, you can always leave them in the comment section below. Any dilemma, any problem, we are always here to support you. If you want to contact us directly, want more details, our support team's contact detail would be there in the pinned comment sections below. So please do not waste any more time. Set your calendars, set your alarms, because this mega mock is actually going to give you your All India rank estimate, and it will help you analyze your paper so that you know where you are lacking, and so that you know where you can actually improve. Okay, which portions you should revise more, which portions you should practice more, because you still have time. And trust me, until and unless it is not done, until and unless your exam is not done, you should not quit. This is not the time for you to quit. You just have to give one final push to yourself. And I trust you people. I know that you can do it. So have faith in yourself. Any queries, any discrepancy, any dilemma going out, any problems you want to connect to us, you can directly call us through our support team. Anything, just leave them in the comment section below. We are always here for you. All the best, and I am sure I'll see you in your Dream Institute this year.